My name is Nicolas, and I came from Lakewood, Colorado. And to have all my teeth, upper and lower teeth, taken care of that were wore down and decaying. And I just want to give testimony that I'm extremely pleased with the work that I got done here on my teeth, upper and lower, and a total of 26 teeth with crowns, and had 2 root canals as well. And it was very reasonable. The pricing was very reasonable for that, and we had transportation from the dental office here, from the Cancun dental specialist, and they were very professional.
3 different clinics in the Cancun area and talked to their associates on the phone. And then there was, I think his name was Chris, is the one who talked to me from Cancun Dental Specialist. And he returned my calls several times and answered several questions. So then, like I said, I researched Dr. Irma, and I found her credentials to be very strong and very impressive. And then the other thing I did is the Google reviews. I really went through a lot of Google reviews on a lot of clinics. And so, I don't know, this Cancun Dental Specialist, I could see they had 3 different clinics, or it appeared to be 3 different clinics, and they stood out. And so I decided that we would try that one. And they were wonderful in that arranging pickups and deliveries to the hotel. They offered to help us find hotel accommodations because we had that handled in another area. I did not use that service, but they also offered to help us find accommodations. The accommodations here are beautiful. The city is absolutely beautiful. The ocean, and it's a very, you feel very safe here. They have really gone to great lengths in the city of Cancun, in the hotel area, to keep people very comfortable and safe. And they have fabulous restaurants and beautiful hotels and beaches that you could only dream of. So coming to Cancun was a great vacation for us.
Yes.
In between, several doctor visits, because there's a full mouth restoration takes several days to do. But we've had a lot of wonderful relaxation in between and a wonderful vacation.
And it was able to be accomplished within 1 week.
Yeah, 1 week's time.
1 week's time or whatever. So that's important to know as well, that you can that they're very they get the job done. Okay.
Yes. So Cancun Dental Specialist, all of the people associated with them have been very, very good, professional, and very just wanting to make sure that we were very happy with the service. Over that I think I've ever got in a dental office before. It was like, no, because I've had a lot of dental work done in the United States with great doctors, but I felt like their patient service was exceptional.
And they allowed me to share the Lord with every one of them. Amen?
Thank you.
Thank you.